Hello guys. Okay, on Wednesday you are going to work page 38 and page 39. Okay, so you are going to listen and read. Why do they go to the wildlife park? So you are going to listen and you are going to read. You have the audio in the presentation. Then you are going to complete exercise number 3. Read again and write true or false, okay? And you have the example number 1. Then you are going to complete page 39, okay? Exercise 1, listen and repeat. You are going to listen the words. You are going to read the meaning of the words, okay? And you can highlight the keywords. Then in exercise number 2, you are going to write the words. Okay, so you're going to write the correct words. Then we have compound nouns. Okay, so you are going to read the words. You have the explanation in the presentation, and then in your notebook, you are going to write 5 examples, okay, of compound nouns. Then we have exercise number 4, write the words. We have the words and you are going to write the correct words in the blanks, okay? So that's it from Wednesday. Goodbye.